You got your monkey? Huh? You playing with your monkey? Huh? Get him. Get him. Let me see him. I just push you over and just get that monkey. Get him. Give me that monkey. Get him. Kick it with those feet, yeah. Good job. Is that your monkey? Hmm? Are you a good girl? Huh? Are you mommy's good girl? You're a good girl, Betty.